So welcome to my presentation for IdeaLauncher MVP. It turns raw ideas to Kiro-ready specifications they can use. So as a kind of inspiration is that as a serial startup entrepreneur, I'm constantly bombarded with new ideas. And the problem, most of these ideas either disappear or into void or remain half-baked thoughts and they never see the light of the day. I developed this so that we can actually collate all the different ideas and then go through the ideas in terms of the iteration. It's easier if I actually show you basically how it kind of work. Okay, so as you can see here, this is total number of ideas. So you can collate as many ideas as you want. You can group them up and then filter them according to it. The number of ideas you actually then score your ideas. So basically, you rank your own ideas, more or less. So you can create a new idea, but which you just didn't put the title and after the subtitle. So in this case, I've already created one called AI Photo Background Remover. And then you go into here. And what you see is actually just AI chat. So this is kind of similar to the one that we have in Kiro, but it's kind of like on adrenaline because it has all the different things. So you can see here, you move from the left to the right. So the document, this is a single source of truth that you're actually going to create. Okay, you can actually jump around by going from the bottom here, the problem, or you can go through here. So tell me one thing this web app will solve in terms of problems, right? So you just start there, and then wait for kind of the we use Gemini Flash at the moment. So that's, let's say that's the thing that you ask, or you can actually type it out yourself. Like you can type it out and then ask the AI to kind of refine it a bit more. But here I just ask it and then to give me answers. So here you can actually then tell where you want to go into, put it to the problem statement. So boom, it goes into here, into your problem statement. So then, as you can see, you can go and create on and off, right? So research now basically will take a look at all the competitor and then, it goes through and then and find out what, for instance, whether there's anybody who's actually doing the same thing. This is where you actually score your own these particular ideas. So it's more or less self-scoring kind of thing. Whether you want to use ICE framework or RISE framework. Now, you actually, when you click on it, it will actually generate the MVP based on the documents that you actually have. So it sees the image upload. So these are the features that it kind of like generates for you to have, and then you rank it in terms of t-shirt size, small, medium, or large, right? And then you can then insert it back into the doc, so you can generate the text that is actually based on that. And then of course, so we take a look here. Specification ready. So here you will then use this background photo remover MD, which is pretty good based on whatever that you have in the document, right? And then it goes and copy this into here. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.